I've been using Tastytrade for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's the right platform for active traders in 2025. Tastytrade is a technology-focused, options-first platform that is an excellent choice for experienced and active options traders. It offers commission-free trades for stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs, with options and futures also low cost compared to competitors. The platform's user interface is well-designed, providing a seamless experience for traders. Tastytrade's pricing is built with active traders in mind, offering transparency and efficiency. A standout feature is the absence of fees to close options trades, allowing traders to take risk off the table without cutting into profits, a crucial advantage for option strategies. However, it's important to note that Tastytrade may not be ideal for beginners, as it primarily caters to day trading and offers advanced tools, features, and strategies for active traders. While the platform provides abundant, free education, the learning curve can be steep for those new to trading. Additionally, Tastytrade does not offer mutual funds, Forex, or OTC trading, and its research and data offerings are limited compared to some competitors. In summary, Tastytrade is a solid choice for advanced investors looking for low costs and an excellent trading experience. Its competitive pricing, intuitive platform, and robust educational resources make it a top pick for options traders in 2025. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.